Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful braided wig from Ruutos, and I'm also going to show you how I install it very quickly. So if you're looking for a new wig or ideas on how to protect or style your hair, stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. So today I want to sort of show you one of my favorite ways of protective styling, and this is something that I was a bit reluctant about at first, but I started seeing quite a few fellow natural hair vloggers and bloggers who swear by this as protective styles. And you know me, I love changing it up, and so when I was kind of offered the opportunity to try a wig from one of our local stores, I was like, okay, let me just give it a go, and I've kind of like never looked back since. I don't think I've actually had a weave in since I started wearing wigs. And then when I found out I was pregnant, that was one of my sort of long-term protective styling plans, was to wear wigs. So that's basically what I did pretty much, I'd say like 80% of last year. I just wore my hair in wigs, you know, when I was pregnant, and I was like sort of like lugging that weight around and, you know, so tired. It was so easy for me to just get up, put on a wig and go. So I'm sharing with you one of my favorite ones. This one is a braid wig I got from Ruutos. I'm going to leave all of their details in the description box below. I love the look of braids. I absolutely love it, but I just, yeah, I after going through, you know, years and years and years of braiding my hair, I just sort of like, I think it was maybe about 4 or 5 years ago, I just said, okay, I'm done. I'm not doing that again, because I continued doing it when I was in university, because they're just so easy. You know, they're simple. They look really, really nice, and I love that look. But I don't have the patience, I don't have the time, and I just don't want to, like, you know, when you get your hair braided and then sometimes it's too tight, and you know, you get that skin pulling and you're tired and your back hurts, and it's just, for me, I'm like, no, I'd rather not. So that's kind of a big reason why I turned to using weaves as my protective style of choice. But I kept saying to people, you know what, if there was a wig that actually like was a braided wig, I would definitely get that. So I don't know when it was. It was like, yeah, sometime last year, I came across this wig on the Ruutos Instagram page. Again, I'll put all their details in the description box below. And I got so excited because I'm like, I thought it didn't exist. I thought this was a myth, and it exists in real life. So, and it's here in Joburg, you know, so like attainable. So for me, I just thought, okay, that's it. I'm done. Like, if I can get my hands on that wig, I don't need to braid ever again. You know, it's not like one of those things that's like temporary, or, you know, for the next couple of years I'm not going to braid. Or for me, I'm like, okay, I'm done. Unless I want a different style of braids, you know, like maybe a chunky braid kind of look. For me, I'm good with this. Technically, these aren't braids. Like, it's not three pieces braids. It's more like a two strand twist. It comes in, I think it's a 14 and 16 inch. This is a 16 inch. This is what I got because I just wanted a bit of like sort of like long-ish kind of hair. Why not? It's not heavy at all. It's very sort of like it looks more than it actually feels, if that makes any sense. The one or two things that I would say that I wish was a bit better about this wig is that the cap itself doesn't actually have, you know, it doesn't have lace. It's not a lace front or anything like that. So if you want that kind of look with the parting very visible and stuff, then maybe this isn't necessarily the right one for you. But if you want something simple, like what I wanted, because I knew I was going to do like all these different styles with this hair, you know, I just wanted the braid look. It comes with these baby hairs. I don't use them. One, because they're way too slinky for my hair, and everyone knows I've got natural hair, and so even when I put like edge control or gel on my hairline, it's a very different texture to my actual hair. So I've tucked the baby hairs that the wig comes with underneath. I may as well chop them off, I guess. I did trim them, and I, tried to sort of, use them, and I'm not feeling it for me. Like, but if, you have hair that is a bit less coarse than mine, or less curly, or whatever it is, or if you just like that look, it also works. But you do need to use wax rather than gel for it, because then it'll sort of like lay down quite nicely. But for me, I'm happy with how it is, and I do like to just sort of like show a little bit of my hairline when I wear my wigs, because yeah, it just kind of looks weird when you've just got skin and then all of a sudden you've got hair.
Okay, so this is how I install this wig. I basically just use my wig cap. I got this from Discam. I think I spent like 15 Rand on it. And as you saw there, I just put my hair in some twists underneath. You can do twists or braids or whatever it is that your hands can allow you to do. So as I mentioned, this wig comes with these baby hairs in the front, which I'm not such a fan of, to be honest, but it has a really great stretchy cap that's very breathable, which I really love, and it's also got this drawstring at the back which helps you adjust the tightness of your wig. And then on the sides there you can see that it's got some side combs if you want some extra security. So then I put the wig on like a hat basically, and I just use my fingers to sort of kind of just I don't know, rake through the braids, so you can leave it down. But what I usually do is I do a sort of what I call a lazy half ponytail. So I just gather the sides of the braids and I just use a normal hairband to just secure it at the back. I don't know, I just love this look because it's very easy going and it's simple.
Okay, and that's basically one of my favorite wigs. I love it. It's simple, as you can see. It's easy to use, easy to put on, easy to take off, all of that. And it just gives me that braid look in like a minute, not even, So yeah, this is definitely a keeper. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.